Let's look at recording audio using Premiere Pro. So I'm just creating a new project called Recording Audio. Now I'm going to create a new sequence. So File, New, Sequence, and I'll just accept the defaults here and click OK. So the first thing you need to do when you want to record audio in Premiere Pro is set up your hardware. So let's go to Edit, Preferences, and then Audio Hardware. And then you want to click on this ASIO settings. By the way, you should see your speakers listed here. So click on ASIO settings, and by default it comes up with this output tab. So your output should have your speakers listed here. You might have something different listed to what I've got here, but you should see your speakers there. Now if you go to the Input tab, by default your audio input device will not be selected. So you can click on that. Yours will be different to what I've got here. Click OK. And before we click OK, again, just go to Audio. And there's one option we want to select here, and that is Mute Input During Timeline Recording. So click on that one as well. What that's going to do is, if you've got your speakers turned on and you're recording through your microphone, you're going to get an echo from your speakers. By clicking on this Mute Input During Timeline Recording, it's going to disable the speakers feeding back into your microphone when you're recording. So definitely click on that, because you don't want to be turning your speakers on and off every time you're recording. So now that you've set up your audio hardware, just going back there quickly. Okay, so you've got your input device selected here, and you clicked Mute Input During Timeline Recording, then click OK. And now we're ready to record. Recording in Premiere Pro used to be fairly complicated in terms of the number of steps, but now with the 2014 version it's a lot simpler. I'm just going to highlight or click on this Effects Controls, because we'll be looking at that window later. So the easy way to record in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2014 is to first enable voiceover recording on an audio track. And to do that, just bring your mouse cursor down to this A1 track, right click, and then click on Customize. And it brings up the button editor. So this button editor, the buttons here, they can be dragged down here onto the track. The one we want to drag is this one here, Voice Over Record. So just hold down your mouse cursor and drag that onto the A1 track and click OK. And I just need to expand that A1 track so I can see the microphone icon again. Now I can click on that Voice Over Record and start recording. So I'll try that now. Hello, I am recording. Okay, I just said hello, I am recording. So if I play it back now, you should hear that. And notice that there's no echo because I selected that option at the start, Mute Input, so that my speakers are not going to have any sound coming out of them when I'm recording. So I don't have to turn them off. So let's hear it. Hello, I am recording. And there we have it. It's very simple. Now you can treat this audio clip as you would any other. And you can move it around, you can lengthen it, trim it, whatever you want to do. You just treat it as any other audio clip. And that's it.